Hello guys. In today's tutorial, I would like to teach you how to become an influencer on social media. Let's start. Signing up on a new platform is a boring ritual. The goal is to make the act of submission to the terms of service as normalized as possible. When we create our avatar, a first database entry about us is created on the backend, where all our activity will be collected and analyzed by the big data algorithms. At first, this data was shared between marketing agencies for mostly economic gains, but soon it was realized this data also contained enormous political power.
If you want to know if someone has good or bad intentions, this is all you have to do. Watch how people react when you tell them good news. Works every time.
Influencers are an essential part of the platform economy because they humanize otherwise hyper-capitalist surveillance products. Only with help of influencers can platforms use their advertisement infrastructure to push masses towards their economic and political agenda. Intelligent manipulation of user experience, viral trends, and algorithmic suggestions will guarantee that any message can get to anyone. Pro tip: dancing is especially a potent type of trend because it helps people take their minds off today's meta crisis. Successful influencers use their popularity granted by the platforms for further financial gains. But their popularity is usually inflated by the algorithm to imprison them in a creative sweatshop, so they must continue satisfying its demands. The final outcome is a digital slavery, which will oppress society even more in the future of metaverse. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe.